The Helios is the U.S. Navy's first truly operational laser weapon, with enough energy to power an entire neighborhood compressed into a single pinpoint. This system represents a great leap forward in military technology, comparable to gunpowder and machine guns. Known officially as the high-energy laser with integrated optical dazzler and surveillance, recent developments show the Helios is poised to change the face of naval warfare forever.
Forget bullets, forget missiles. The future of combat fires at the speed of light. Laser weapons aren't science fiction anymore. They're blasting drones out of the sky in real wars, today. The promise of light-speed firepower. Traditional weapons use explosives, fuel, and moving parts. Lasers don't. They deliver pure energy, a beam of concentrated light that can travel miles in an instant. There's no recoil, no bullet drop, no need to reload. Point, fire, and melt whatever's in the way. On the battlefield, this changes everything. Why waste a $1 million missile to destroy a $2,000 drone, when a laser can burn it out of the sky for pocket change?
Israel has now become the first nation to deploy a high-energy laser in combat. The state-of-the-art technology called the Iron Beam uses directed energy in the form of laser light. It's being developed in-country by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems.
Israel's first combat laser. In 2025, Israel made history. Their Iron Beam system successfully shot down drones and rockets in live combat. The first time a military laser weapon proved itself in war. Mounted on trucks, the system fires high-energy beams that cut through smoke, fog, and even clouds. Targets ignite and fall out of the sky in seconds. This wasn't a test. It was the moment lasers officially became weapons of war. Australia's laser truck. And Israel isn't alone. In Australia, a defense company called EOS unveiled a mobile, high-powered anti-drone laser that just secured a $125 million export deal. The system looks like a sci-fi turret bolted onto a military truck, able to swivel, lock on, and blast multiple drones in rapid succession. It's designed not just to kill one drone, but to mow down entire swarms. Because drone warfare isn't coming, it's already here. And lasers are the first defense cheap and fast enough to keep up. Why lasers break the game? Lasers solve problems missiles can't. Cost. Shooting a laser costs a few dollars in electricity. Missiles cost thousands, sometimes millions. Speed. Light beams travel instantly. Nothing outruns it. Capacity. As long as the generator is running, the weapon never runs out of ammo. And unlike traditional weapons, lasers don't create debris or secondary explosions. They destroy targets clean, like an invisible scalpel carving the sky.
But here's the reality check. Lasers need massive power supplies. They struggle with heavy rain, dust storms, or reflective armor. And while they're great at short and medium ranges, they can't yet replace long-range missiles. For now, lasers aren't the only weapon. They're the layer of defense that makes everything else stronger. The future of laser wars. The race is on. The U.S. Navy has tested ship-mounted lasers capable of frying incoming missiles. China claims to have blinding lasers ready for anti-satellite warfare. And startups are experimenting with portable laser rifles, weapons soldiers could one day carry in the field. In the next decade, every battlefield could see layers of light crisscrossing the skies, burning drones, missiles, and maybe even aircraft out of existence. It's the Star Wars future, except it's already live. The first real laser weapons are here. Cheap, precise, instant. The only question now is, when the battlefield fills with beams of light, who controls the trigger? This is Techrupt. Subscribe now, before the next war is fought at the speed of light.